Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja if you've never been here before. Today we are going to be installing this wig, except it's not really going to look like this. So you guys should just go ahead and keep watching. But before we get started, I just want to go ahead and tell you guys that I want to speak prosperity and nothing but progress over your business. Let's get started. So this hair is sent from Arabella Hair Company, y'all. I really do enjoy this wig. It did not shed a lot. I mean, it processed really well. The only thing that I felt like I noticed out of the box that you guys may not be able to see on camera is that this lace was like light brown. Like, it looks like it's transparent. I don't know if it was just me, if I was just bugging, over the course of the few days, but I think the lace was too dark. I don't know what happened, y'all. That's the only explanation that I can get, but I do love this wig and I would love to recreate it again with a 100% transparent or HD lace. So I'm not really going to go too much into detail about how I did the wig, because as you guys seen in the before clip, I have a whole nother video on that is part 1 of this series. So you guys should definitely check out, part 1 to this video. So I'm just going ahead and adding the makeup to my cap. Y'all, there are so many videos on how to do this on YouTube. It's literally like, there's no need to like explain it again and again and again. So I'm just going ahead and applying my makeup to my cap. Yeah. Like, let's just keep going. So if you guys can't see right here, I was trying to show y'all how the lace had looked, but I mean, it kind of looks like you can't see anything, but in person you definitely could see how dark it was. So I was really nervous about this wig. That's why I didn't even apply any makeup to the wig, like to the lace, the actual lace, because it was just looking way too dark and I was really nervous about it. So I just went ahead and went without it. So I'm just going ahead and applying my glue. I am using Erica J Hold Me Down Adhesive, and I really do like it. It's really good. Y'all, this glue don't play. This glue does not play, honey. I've switched over, and this is my staple right here, right there. Yeah, I just love it. So yeah, so I'm just going in. I think I applied like 3 layers, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure it was 3 layers. Yeah, it was 3 layers. So I applied 3 layers to my hair, y'all. It really did hold my hair down really nice. Except some few pieces kept coming up. Not like, I don't really think it was the glue. It was more so like, I don't know, whatever, y'all. I love this wig, and I didn't really love the install though. I really don't know what went wrong. Like, as you guys can see, like, my bald cap is like perfect. Like, the color is perfect. Like, this is me. Like, this is me. So it was just really hard. This is a hard install for me, but I said I'm gonna try it out. I'm not gonna give up. I've never tried a bob before. I've never cut a bob, definitely not an asymmetrical bob like this before. I've done, like, regular blunt cut bobs, but this one was a challenge for me. But I'm up for the challenge. So if you guys have any other recommendations or wigs that I should try, colors I should try, if you think it will look good on me, please let me know down below in the comment section, y'all. I am not going over this voiceover. I'm not one of those YouTubers that just try to sound so perfect. No, that's not me. I'm not doing that. Y'all gonna get what y'all get. Period. Y'all need some personality in these videos anyways. But I mean, I don't know. I just feel like this install kind of took away from my natural face. I don't know, y'all. I don't know how to describe it, but I don't know. I was feeling the color. I don't know if I was feeling I definitely wasn't feeling a bang, y'all. Not the banging. No, not the banging. We was not feeling the banging, okay? We was not feeling that. But I mean, at the end of the day, I did feel like I love the end result, like how I styled it at the end of the video. You guys will be able to see, of course, but it was just something was wrong with the lace. Like, it's just something about 613 hair that I'm not friendly with. Like, I'm not cool with it at all. Like, at all. It's like those white knots. I think I learned a method of how to fix the knots to a 613 wig, but I mean, yeah, I didn't fix it in this video. So hopefully if I try it out again, I'll do that method and we'll see, you know, how everything goes or whatever. But I mean, as you can see now, I'm just applying the wig. Same old, nothing, you know, nothing too spectacular. Like, I do this all day, every day. So if you guys if you are ever in the 912 area, or if you want to fly to me, if you want to, you know, slide to me, drive to me, whatever, hit up your girl booking site. All booking, like, for example, it's August, so if you want to book for September, you need to book before August 14th, which of course is after August 14th. But like for October bookings will open on September 14th. It's like that for every month. So anytime that you think you want to book with me, girl, just go ahead on the 14th of the month prior. Go ahead and book with me, girl, at 7 p.m. always. So yeah, I'm just go ahead and cutting off this extra lace here. I want to do some zoom in, some close-ups of how it had looked. There we go. Yeah, so it's just like kind of bugging me. Like, it's just kind of been bugging me. But I mean, I just don't know what went wrong with this install, y'all. Like, I don't know. The hair didn't shed bad either. Like, the frontal did, but that was because of me. That wasn't because of Arabella. That was because of me. But this is how it look up close. Like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Like, it wasn't 100% transparent to me. Or maybe it was the knots. I'm not really sure, but I'm really sad that it didn't work out for me. I think I kept this install in for about 4 days. Like, I had to literally force it off my head. That glue is amazing, y'all. But, yeah, I'm just gonna... Y'all, please don't laugh at my cut. I'm learning. To me, it did look a little botched. But I did clean it up pretty well, and you know, the girls at school was like, "Oh yeah, you know, it looks okay, it looks pretty good." But you know, I don't know. I don't know. It's kind of hard not seeing the back of your head. But this is when I started to do that ugly bang. Maybe it would have been cuter on like natural black hair or natural colored hair, but just disgusting. Like, y'all tell me what y'all think. Do y'all think it was really that bad? Did it look terrible on me? Like, which one did y'all like better? Did y'all like the regular side part? Did y'all like the bayang? Like, just let me know what y'all like better. But I did not like this. I did not. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. Y'all see, you know, how it really came out and everything like that. But I'm close to done with this video. You're close to done watching. Keep on watching for the sake, like, for the sake of my YouTube channel. Like, we're trying to grow. We're trying to get that time up. We're trying to, you know, progress and prosper. Speaking prosperity over everything that you touch and that you see. But yeah, so we're almost there, girl. I don't know why, but I like to like cut those like little small hairs in the front. That was not cute, girl. Back up. Take that away. That was not cute. I was like, we're not doing any baby hairs, you know, this time around. I kept trying, and it was just not working for me. It was just not. As you can see here, I was like, girl, scoot them back. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. But I really want to try a lot more things. Like, maybe some highlights. Maybe some pink or something. Like, get me out of my comfort zone. Just, let's do something fun. Drop your suggestions below. DM me, tell me that you're from my YouTube channel, and be like, hey girl, you know, you said that you wanted some suggestions, so this is what I'm suggesting. See, y'all, in the back it looks so botched right now, but I promise it was not botched in the end. I promise y'all right now, it was just kind of like the wig was a little, you know, off-centered, a little, you know, Look, I just promise it wasn't like this, y'all. I did not walk around like this. There we go. It looks so much better, girl. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. You know, I ain't had really cared for it too much, but that's the end of this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. See you guys in my next one. Love you, peace, speak blessings over your life, prosperity, and yeah, y'all come back, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like this video so other people can see it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.